We have subtraction of polynomials. How we do this? First, we have to take down the parentheses. And we have to check the sign before parentheses. When we don't have any sign, it is always positive. So when we have positive sign, we have to rewrite everything what we have in the parentheses. So this is equal negative 5t squared plus 3t minus 4. Next, we have negative sign before parentheses. When we have negative sign, we have to change the sign every term in parentheses to opposite. So when we don't have any sign, it's always positive. So we have positive 3t squared. So now will be negative 3t squared. Next, we have negative, so now will be positive 6. We have to rewrite. Every term in parentheses, we change the sign. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have negative 5t squared, negative 3t squared, and we have 3t only, and negative 4 and positive 6. So we have to combine the like terms. Negative 5t squared and negative 3t squared. We have to rewrite variable t squared, and we have to just add the coefficients. We have negative 5 plus negative 3 is negative 8t squared. Both coefficients are negative, so we keep negative sign and we just add 5 plus 3 is 8. T squared we have to copy. Next, we'll put expression with t, so it will be plus 3t, and negative 4 plus 6 is 2. We keep the sign the greater number. 6 is greater than 4, so we have positive, and 6 minus 4 is 2. This is my solution.